got a variety of transformations to look at in this question. First one, draw the image of triangle A after rotation of 180 degrees about 0, 0. So what you have to do is get some tracing paper, put it over the top, draw an outline around your triangle, and put your pen or pencil on 0, 0 and rotate it. Another little suggestion is if you draw a little up arrow on your triangle, then it can help you know when to stop, when you've gone 90 degrees and when you've gone 180 degrees. So let's do this. It's starting up. It's now facing to the right. That means I've gone 90 degrees. And at this point here, I've gone 180 degrees. If I'd gone the other way, because it doesn't specify the direction, then I would have gone 90 degrees anti-clockwise, and now 180 degrees. I get the same place both times. Draw this in onto your diagram, like take off the tracing paper and put in the right points, and that's it. That's the image of A after that rotation. Draw the image after a translation by the vector 2, minus 7. Right, we need to remember what this means. So if we have x, y, it means we go x units in the x. I don't like that, scrap that. I'm going 2 units to the right, basically. And I'm going, so 2 right. And I'm going 7. But because it's negative, I'm going 7 down. That's how our vectors work. So let's take each individual point. This one here, I'm going to go 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the top left, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Finally, bottom left, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can sort of maybe do it after even 1, but it pays to be careful, I think, in these sorts of questions. That we've just done the points, we still need to draw a triangle. Okay, and there we go. Right, last one. Describe a transformation. Probably the trickiest kind of transformation question, especially because this one's an enlargement. However, that does help because you get 1 mark just for writing down enlargements. Now, it doesn't matter that it's got smaller, it's still an enlargement. Although that is the next bit. It was 4 in height, and now it's 2 in height. So what have I multiplied by? I've divided by 2 or times by a half. An enlargement by scale factor half. And just the final mark is to draw ray lines that go through the points. So if I start at the larger one, go for the middle one, the smaller one rather, but the respective points. Okay, let's do that. And then if I go for the right hand lines, it's going to be there. And you can see it would be the same for the bottom left as well. My center of enlargement is here. Basically, if I want to, I'm going sort of 2 along and 2 up. If I then, 4 along and 4 up. If I times that by a half, I'll go 2 along and 2 up. That's how this works when you're doing an enlargement. So enlargement by scale factor half, about -1, 2.